Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna talk about my morning skincare routine. Actually, this is like an updated skincare routine because I have already uploaded my skincare routine or my skincare journey on my first YouTube channel. But yeah, I'm just gonna link it down below so that you can also watch it. Anyways, let's just get started. I wash my face first with the Gentle Cleansing Milk from Quick Effect. To be honest, I have received a PR package of this before, but pangatlong bottle ko na to. Nakadalawang purchase na ako sa kanila and I really recommend this. Especially if you have dry skin. It brings back the moisture to your skin and also at the same time, it gives that kind of plumpiness on your skin. I don't know, it's just makes my skin even more smoother. I really recommend it, but I don't know if it will work well on those people who have major acne problems. Because for me, hindi ako nagkakaroon ng acne dito. But if you are allergic to salicylic acid, lactic acid, aloe vera, chamomile extract, and allantoin, then you shouldn't buy this. But for me, it works well. Also, I am a combination skin. Also, very unpredictable ng skin type ko. Minsan, sobrang dry niya. As in, buong face ko sobrang dry. Sa eyelids ko, dry din yan. I don't know why. But if you have the same skin condition as mine, you should try this. You must try this out because it really brings back the moisture on your skin. Naha-hydrate niya yung skin ko and that's why I really love it. So next thing that I'm gonna talk about is my toner. This is from Anwa. Actually, this is a PR package from them. And also, my first love is from Skin 1004, yung Madagascar toner nila. But yon kasi sobrang ubos na. So, eto naman yung tinry out ko. Since this is a PR package from them, I also made a review about them on my Instagram account. So, please do follow me on Instagram if you want more skincare reviews from me. Then, yeah, just follow me there since I do have lots of skincare review there also. And yeah, as you guys can see, this has been very loved by me. Also, I applied this with my hands. I feel like I treat this as more of like a serum, not a toner kasi wala talaga siyang effect na may stinging sensation. Wala siyang amoy. So, that's a +1 for me kasi nga ayoko ng mga skincare na may amoy. So, yeah, I really love it. I've been using it for months now. So, next thing that I'm gonna talk about is from Ever Organics. This is a local brand. Actually, I've been loving aloe vera gel from Nature Republic. But with this one, yung Jeju aloe vera lotion nila, this is so good, guys. This is so good. Alam mo yung sobrang nasusut niya talaga yung skin ko, especially if I have dry spots. I really love using it, especially if may mga patches ako of dry skin. I love using it. Tinatapalan ko lang siya. But at the same time, ginagawa ko talaga siyang moisturizer. I apply it all over my face. So, yeah. Also, at the same time, ginagawa ko rin to sa evening skincare routine ko. If you want me to do another skincare routine for nighttime, then just comment down below. If you want me to film it. Next thing is from Anwa again. Since they have sent me their PR package, I've been really loving their skincare product. I love their products so much. I really love their products. Hands down to them. Actually, this is a Korean brand. I love Korean skincare products. If you haven't watched my first video, I explained there na Korean products lang ang nag-work sa skin ko, especially with the toner. Kasi kapag, halimbawa, Celatec ang ginamit ko or any American brands na toner, it just doesn't work well for me. Nagkakaroon ako ng mga pimples and I really don't know why, kung bakit Korean skincare products lang yung nag-work sa akin. But anyways, at least I know what's good for my skin na. So yeah, this is a must-have as well because this is a soothing cream. More of like parang ganito rin siya. But ina-apply ko tong soothing cream ng Anwa after applying the aloe vera soothing gel lotion from Ever Organics because it's just a double moisture for me. Since I do tend to have lots of dry patch on my skin, you know, it just brings back all the moisture on my skin. Next thing that I'm gonna show you is my sunscreen. Okay, this is more of like a sunscreen for me, but it's like a sun essence from Actually, I don't know, Grafen. This is also a Korean brand, and Yestal have sent this to me to try out. I'm gonna flash my code here if you want to purchase from Yestal so that you can get those items at a discounted price. Anyways, the reason why I love this sunscreen is because madali siya matuyo, but at the same time, hindi niya nadadry yung skin ko. I don't know why. It just hydrates my skin even more. Tapos hindi siya yung malagkit sa mukha. It's a +1 for me. Kaya kinikilig ako habang nagsasalita ako because I love these products. I love using it. I enjoyed doing my skincare routine because of these products kasi nga madali lang siyang matuyo. Lahat na finisher kong products sa video na to, sobrang bilis nilang mag-absorb sa skin nyo. And at the same time, hindi talaga siya drying sa skin. So if you have an oily skin, probably this video is not for you. And this video is for those skin types who have combination skin like mine. And yung mga may dry skin out there, yeah, this is for you. This video is for you. So yeah, I really love these products the most, guys. This really stands out the most on my skincare collection kasi nga sobrang daming brands na nagpapadala din sa akin. So etong mga to, yan lang yung nag-stand out sa akin. I'll probably purchase this toner kaso nga lang sobrang mahal niya, but I'll try to find an alternative affordable version of this one. But if not, then I don't have a choice. I'm just gonna buy another bottle of this because it's really good, guys. It's really good. Anyways, that's just it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sana nakatulong ako sa mga skincare problems niyo. Also, please subscribe to my channel so that you can see more of my videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!